Money has a wonderful zero down financing option. That is what made me choose DoHard Money above all the rest, was the zero down option. We're in the area called Bates Hendricks of Indianapolis. This is my 5th flip. DoHard Money did give me the opportunity to build my credit. The thing that I like most about real estate investing is freedom. I went from a part-time salary to well over a 6-figure income. Zero. We brought $0 to the table on this deal. If there was anything that I could tell someone who's looking to get started, is to go ahead and embrace the unknown. This deal qualified for 100% financing. We purchased this property for $48,000. I'm going to list this project for $279,000. So at the end of the day, we're looking at a $55,000 to $60,000 profit.